Now to create your very first schedule. So if you're on the home page or project management, just click schedules and you'll open this page and then select the project from the sidebar. Once we're here, we can start to populate our schedule. Simply click on the day you want to set up the task. So we'll click today's date. This can be called site, the number of work days this may take, and you can assign a color. Click save, and there we have it. After the site setup, we might want to get our set out. So I take a day, we can set this blue. The tray, we can assign color to the tray, but it's all preset in our settings. So we'll come to that in a moment. And as we come down to the next line here, we're going to assign it to a project manager or one of our team members. And the task owner, in this case, it's myself. If one of your other team members create the task, it will display who has created it. So let's save this now. I'll click on it again to view the schedule. You can tell I've created that. If one of my team members had created it, it would come up with their display. If you want to edit the schedule, we're into it again. So it could take 2 days to set out, update, and update 2 days. You also have the ability to drag and move the schedule. So I can also just drag it out 2 days, day, drag it back as we see fit. And it's as simple as that. Once the set out is complete, we'll start our site cut. Site cut. So this will take us 4 days. So you pick a color just on the side here, or use our tray color. So this one will go to earthwork. Use tray color. So it wouldn't matter what I called the topic. I could say dig footings, site cut, bulk out, transport soil, whatever I want to call it. If I use the tray color, in this case it's preset as indigo, it'll always have as indigo. I find this is a little bit easier, especially when you're using a carpenter. You've got internal lockup, fixed lockup, frame carpenter. We can always preset them. So, for example, let's do the carpenter here. 20 walls. So we're on a carpenter to set this out. That'll take us 2 days. Use the tray color carpenter, and you have to sort of toggle this bar to use tray color. There it is, just gold. Then it becomes this habit. You will know every time you see gold, it's generally going to mean it's carpenter if you follow the tray color sequence. Let's continue to populate the schedule. So once the retaining walls are done, say it should probably take us 4 days. Then we want to out footings. A day. Now we want our excavation team to dig the footings. Could say that it take us 3 days. Range of inspection. From your surveyor. Our tray color. And this tray color. The way we have it. All right, then we move away. Slab, steel, day. Slab. In this case, we'll use our cleaner. It'll take 3 days. Another inspection. And then let's take a look for that's our sort of first part of the schedule done. Obviously, you'll populate this all the way through as far as you like, all the way through to completion, or just even to base. One thing I really like to do, and I think it's a really good feature, is to link items together. In this particular scenario, I would probably link the entire base stage, as if one thing moves, we obviously can't do the footings that the setup been done. So, go back. Want to create a new link group. We can name it what it'd be like base stage, green, and we select all the items we want for the base stage. So I can be happy with the site set out just up top. Site setup, retaining wall, footings, dig footings, inspection, place slab steel, box up the slab, inspection, and pour. Done. So right now, if I move one of these items 2 days, the entire schedule is going to move 2 days. It's going to ask you right now, if it's on a weekend, you can keep it on the weekend or go to the next business day. Have it. Our whole entire schedule is moved. If we want to move it 3 weeks, because we've got a rain delay, the entire schedule moves. It's as simple as that. Come back to the start, and here's the 2 items we didn't touch. We want to move it all back to the start. Just drag them up. And there we have it. That part is completed. Okay. So now, there's a good point there, because we had to move it back from a business day, then back to a normal day. The pour slab is now on the same day. What we can do, if you do have a little mistake, click on link summary. And here's all our items. So what we can do, just to move one item, in this case is pour slab, because I drag the schedule around so frequently with the next business day, and obviously as an accountant for that one, I've moved it back. So we can just go dissolve, pour slab, close, move this back. If you want to reconnect this back to this one, we drag this to that. And now they're all linked together. And away, you can check that link summary. There it is back in there, or slab. So it's simple as that.